Hey guys, so today I'm going to be... Okay, he isn't there. Today I'm going to be finding Dog Day and killing him. Scary. I don't know where he is. Alright, let's just go. I don't even think Dog Day exists. Maybe I was just hallucinating. Oh, never mind. He exists! He exists! There he is! There he is! He's coming for me! He's coming for me! Go! Go! Hit the gas! Hit the gas! He's right there! He almost got me! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Why are you not talking?
What?
Why are you not talking?
Because I'm trying to find Dog Day.
I think I slammed your leg down on the brakes.
Wait, that's the emergency brake.
Yeah. Stop it. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, he's gonna get me. He has me, I think. Oh, grab my hand. No. Watch out.
So for me.
Crispy, watch out. Crispy, watch out. Crispy. Where even is he? Look, looks like there's something happening over here.
Yeah.
Crispy
Watch the beautiful
just
view.
left. Alright, so if he comes running out and we are not turned the right way, then we jump out the car and start running for our lives. Got it? Ah! What the? Get your drum! Oh my god! No! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be getting kidnapped by Dog Day once again. Yeah, I think I'm going to die.
You need a ride?
Yeah. Dude, you know that you're not supposed to bring cars in here?
I don't care. Let's go.
You know what? I'm gonna go battle Dog Day myself. What happened?
Hey, Dog Day. Dog Day, you're not getting it.
I'm the... Zach, look at me. Zach, look at me. Zach. With this treasure, I something. Right here. Right here. Look, what? I just noticed, why is Dog Day playing, I almost called him Dogman. Oh my gosh, no! Run, run! Get in the car! Need a ride? Get in, get in! Jack, get in! You got someone else. Come on, this is your chance, get in.
I'm going inside the back.
Okay. I wish you had a gun.
I'm in.
Let me see if I can afford a gun. Here, right here. See, this is the dream team here. We have hard working. Okay,
Oh,
no, we don't. Alright, bye. Oh, never mind.
Why am I so fast? Why am I so...
Did he eat his sofa?
He just ate his headset.
Dude, why is your neck like that? Look, this is a... Oh, sorry, that's my forehead.
Show me the picture. Take it out, take it out. Take it out.
I think print speed. No, I'm not getting that. I can't even afford it. I'm gonna go get kidnapped. I'm gonna go chill out at the waterfall that Dog Day does not definitely own.
Yeah.